really, really good to receive an award. I mean, a lot of hard work goes into actually running a private jet company, working in this market, working in this environment. So it's an excellent feeling, of course. So, I think all of us love to be here for the simple reason that we were so sick of meeting each other on Zoom, on FaceTime, staring at phones. I used to always joke that Zoom has become the new private jet of the world. And it feels so good to actually physically be able to meet people, shake hands, say hi. Yeah. Thank you so much.